What happened?
My belly did pain. I got a cough. Got a cough blood. I don't know.
A cough blood. Which kind of blood? Which design is this? I don't understand. Awesome. Oh, you did laugh. Wait there. But this one not resemble blood now.
Not be blood, not prank.
I say your blood color.
It's a prank video.
Oh, he even said camera.
It's a prank video.
I thought they wonder, say, why blood color would be like this, master? What you got with you, sir?
Why you want to know?
Matter of worry. Not bad. You see the cough. I don't have to say you see the cough.